This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Stephen Dykema. Welcome to your dream home surrounded by nature. Situated on a quiet cudesac in Trinity Oaks. Charming, quality built, one-story, great room floor plan home offering a Florida feel on a 0.26-acre lot filled west/mature lush landscaping. Inside the double front doors is a large foyer west/updated luxury flooring throughout. Home painted inside with beautiful Costal Colors. The great room features a coffered ceiling, sliders out to the oversized covered lanai and a very large sparkling SPA. The kitchen includes granite counters, tile backsplash, lots of countertop space, newer stainless appliances, closet pantry, breakfast bar and a breakfast nook overlooking the outdoor living space. The master suite has a large walk-in closet plus a standard closet, sliders out to the lanai/spa along west/a large master bath featuring a separate walk-in shower, garden tub, dual sinks west/generous size vanity. Additional features of this home include a gas fireplace, new roof, exterior painted 2022, skylights, inside laundry room including washer and dryer, large separate storage room off the garage, storage in attic, and more. No CDD fees. Low HOA includes a community playground. Located in the highly sought-after Trinity community, this home offers convenient access to top-rated schools, upscale shopping, dining, and entertainment options. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Florida lifestyle, with nearby beaches, golf courses, and parks just a short drive away. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.